Hi guys, welcome to instinctHub, and in this video's tutorial I will be showing you how you can successfully apply for our annual tech diversity program. So by going to this URL tech.instinctHub, it will direct you to the registration page of the tech diversity program. So once you get to tech.instinctHub, you are going to see this interface. You can go through to see what the tech diversity is all about in details. So you are going to click on Enrol now after going through what is on the landing page. So click on Enrol now. So after clicking on Enrol now, you are going to be prompted with this interface as well, right? So if you scroll down, you're going to see the courses that we have for this cohort. We have cybersecurity for beginners, front-end intermediate, UI UX, data analysis, and then front-end beginner as well. So in your own case, you are going to click on sign up, and if you click on sign up, and then you are going to see this interface as well, where it's asking you to create a username, your email address, first name, last name, phone number, date of birth. Then you create a strong password as well. So after successfully creating an account, you'll be prompted to verify your account by sending an OTP to your email address and then inserting the OTP on the next page that you are going to see. But in my own case, I've already registered, so I don't need to go through the registration again. After you've successfully registered, you will be logged in automatically to our platform, right? So let me just go back and logged in. So in my own case, I can just click on logged in. So after I logged in, so I'm going to be asked to use my email address or right. Now I've successfully logged in, and you can see that there is nothing like logged in or sign up again. So the next thing you are going to do is you can scroll down and then come and choose the course you want for the cohort, right? We have 5 courses basically for now. We have cybersecurity for beginners, we have front-end tech diversity beginner as well, we have UI UX, we have data analysis, and then we have tech diversity intermediate, which is front-end intermediate. Let's assume for now I'm interested in data analysis. I can just proceed by clicking on the data analysis beginner. Alright, after clicking on data analysis, this is the course I'm interested for this cohort. So I can click on enroll now, right? Enroll now. So after clicking on enroll now, you'll be prompted to this this interface as well. You can just proceed by reading the description that we have. Basically, the program is starting by 1st of April, and then the program is going to end 30th of June. That is, it's going to last for 12 weeks. So if you go to the description in the first landing page, you are going to see all of that in the description in details at the tech.instinctHub landing page, right? The next thing you are going to do is just to enroll for the cohort, because I'm interested in what? Data analysis. So let me just click on enroll for cohort, right? So just click OK. So for us to successfully accept you to the program, you have to take an assessment. So you can take an assessment. So this is the assessment. So after you enroll in a course, you'll be prompted to take an assessment. So this is the assessment interface. It's just a 20 question for 20 minutes. That is 1 minute per question, and then we have a total 20 points, and then the total score points will be displayed at the end of the assessment. So after you finish the assessment, you are going to see your score, and then you need a minimum of what? 15 points to achieve this test. So if you don't have 15 points, you haven't achieved the test, right? So let me just click on start quiz, click on continue, then you can proceed with the answering the question, read, and then just answer the question. In my own case, I'm just going to skip to the last part, then click on see result. Instantly you are going to see your result. You can see you got 6 of 20. That is, I got 6 points out of 20 points. Don't forget, after you've successfully taken an assessment, an email will be sent to you. So check your email address for more details. We send an email to you. Do make sure you check the email address. It is very, very important. it's provide more description, more details about the program and what it entails in general. So this is going to be the end of the video, and thank you for joining our tech diversity program, and do ensure that you follow us across all our social media, because we have a lot of exciting things to show you guys. So thank you guys for joining the tech diversity program, and then we wish you a successful program at instinctHub.